Welcome YouTubers to Diecast Culture, and today we are looking at a couple of Fast and Furious Hot Wheels Premium Full Force. On the left is a 70 Dodge Charger RT, and perhaps you can tell me what RT stands for. I should have researched it, perhaps I should know. And then the one on the right is the 71 Plymouth GTX. Both very lovely looking models, really beautiful finish. So the metal bases and real riders. There is a story behind this. My son had just popped over to the local toy shop in the nearby town, and he came back with some Lego, and he said, "Oh, Daddy, there is a couple of super treasure hunts. I've put them behind the Harry Potter Lego so that when you go down there you can go and find them." And I said to him, "Oh, that's brilliant, thanks for doing that. But listen, in the future, if you ever come across a super treasure hunt, then just buy it, okay?" So particularly in the UK, these are far and few between. So anyway, I went down to the store the next day and went into the shop and looked for the Harry Potter Lego. Just behind the Harry Potter Lego box were a couple of these two particular products, and I looked at them and I thought, Hot Wheels Premium, these are not super treasure hunts. And I looked at the price on the back and it was £8.99, or was it, no, hang on, it was £6.99. So that's about what, $8, and obviously it's a premium price. Nonetheless, it's pretty difficult even to get Hot Wheels Premium in this country, so I thought, yep, gotta have them. Shame there weren't super treasure hunts, of course, because as you all know, super treasure hunts and treasure hunts go for the usual mainline price of $1, or in the UK £1.50, £1.30. So not to worry anyway. We will in a minute unbox these, unpackage them, and have a closer look. For those who are squeamish about unboxing, perhaps you want to look away now. You'll notice the one on the right is actually damaged already, the packaging. That's because I decided to open it before doing a video, and then I thought, no, hang on, let's do an unboxing video. So that's the packaging out of the way, and let's open this one as well. Look away if you're squeamish about unboxing. So yeah, I just don't have the space to store the packaging as well. So here is the closer look at the Dodge Charger, and what a beauty, just beautiful finish. All the detail, the red inserts on the engine air intakes, and the wheels are fantastic, the rear riders, the rear lights. But yeah, taking a closer look at the wheels, they're just so precision molded. If you put one of these Dodge Chargers alongside a green light Dodge Charger, there is a slight discrepancy on the scale. The green light Dodge Charger has a slightly longer wheelbase, perhaps fractionally wider. So if you were to put them together, there is a slight mismatch on the scale there. But it's such a beautiful model, and you know, the fact it's not exactly 1/64, maybe it's about 1/66 scale or something, is fine by me. But yeah, it's stance, so it's what, about 2 millimeters higher at the back, perhaps a little bit too high, but just looks a very aggressive stance. Okay, and here is the Plymouth GTX, another beautifully made model, fantastic paint finish, and the detailed wheels. So yeah, just a couple of examples of two really nice Hot Wheels premiums. You could have just made out the word Plymouth on the rear license plate and GTX in silver just behind the door there. Okay, thanks ever so much for watching. All the best with your collecting and diecast hunting, and speak to you soon. Bye.